guys, what's up? So we received a package from Hard Candy Cosmetics. Let's open it up and see what's inside. All right, so Hard Candy was kind enough to send over their Moods eyeshadow palettes. These are so super cute. Let me just move these out of the way. And here they all are. Each one has its own little color story. And as you can see, the name of the palette is engraved in the 4 shadows, which is so adorable. So this one is called Punk. Wow, that shade is stunning. Here we have Burn. So pretty. Wow, that bronzy shade. Here is Buzz. Super pretty. Here is the palette Purr. We have Bear. Super pretty. Envy. Hard. So super buttery, so vibrant. Look at that shade right there. Wow. Wink. So super cute. And last but not least, Dope. And I have this palette on my eyes today. So I was so impressed by this little palette, you guys. It is so pigmented and it is super blendable as well. Also, what I like about this brand is they are talc-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. You guys know how I love talc-free makeup. But yeah, I am so excited to try the rest of these palettes out. If you'd like to see how I got this look using the Dope palette by Hard Candy Cosmetics, then just stay tuned. And here is the final look. You guys know I had to be a little extra with it and add some eye art. A little mama polar bear sleeping with her baby. But yeah, you guys, I just want to say a big thank you to Hard Candy Cosmetics for sending me these palettes to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.